Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this episode of We Detail Cars. Bit of a different format today. We have this beautiful McLaren 570 GT in, which came for paint protection film installation and corrective polishing and ceramic coating. The job was fitted around other cars that we already had in our workshop, so I did not have time to do a full video on this car. So there's not any pieces to camera or anything like that, but I have recorded what I could, and I've put a few notes and whatnot over on the screen, and I will do a little bit of voiceover here and there, so hopefully you enjoy it. If you do enjoy the content, it would really mean a lot to us if you could subscribe to the YouTube channel and smash that like button and drop a comment below, maybe even send it to a friend. Thank you guys so much for your support. Now that the car's cleaned and prepped, you can see the condition of the paintwork. It had been detailed when the customer bought it from the dealer around 2 years ago, but I don't think it had been done very well. You can see the holograms in the bonnet there. We have to touch up some stone chips before we can apply the PPF, so we've got a colour matched touch-up stick here. With the necessary stone chips touched up, I've then gone over them with 2000 grit sandpaper, which has left this finish. Before we put the PPF on, we're going to just polish these out and make them nice and flat. I will say though that you could put PPF on top of those straight away, and believe it or not, you wouldn't even see the damage. But we're going to try and get it as good as possible. We're installing ProFilm's Regen film, which is an instant healing PPF. Other films will require a little bit of heat to heal, so from the sun or just radiant heat from the engine or bodywork, whereas the Regen does heal immediately. The downside is the warranty is a little bit less. This particular film has a 7-year warranty, whereas their other film, UCP12, has a 12-year warranty. can see here, I'm just putting some ceramic coating on the applicator pad. I'm going to spread it around nice and gently on the panel that I'm working on. Get all the areas covered. I'm going to leave it for a little bit, just allow it to react and bond to the paint. I'm going to come in with a nice soft microfiber towel and level it all off. It is important to make sure that you have lots of microfiber towels available to ensure that you're not leaving any streaks or anything like that. I do normally go through sort of between 10 and 15 microfiber towels per car when you're putting a coating on. This little plaque here, 1 of 100. Now I don't know if this means that it is number 1 of 100 or if it's just 1 of 100 that have been made. So maybe if somebody knows, drop a comment. Onto the interior, I'm just giving the leather a gentle clean, so I'm using a dedicated sort of leather interior cleaner here and a soft microfiber scrubby dubby pad. As I'm sure you can agree, guys, the car looks incredible now. It was really nice to work on. The paint was bonded very nicely. Just everything about the car was amazing, and I'm definitely trying to get myself into a McLaren now. Might be a few years away though. But yeah, as always, thank you so much for watching. It's really appreciated. I love you guys' support. If you guys have a dream car or a car that you would like to get at one point, let me know what it is in the comments, and I'll see you in the next episode.